You watching Top 5 Best Canister Vacuums. Number 5. Electrolux L4335B Cord Ultraflex. On/off brush roll switch and 3-level height adjustment. Motion control system. Adjustable suction power. 33 feet reach system. Dust capacity, dry quartz 1.4. HEPA filter. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Shark Rotator Powered Lift Away. Lightweight powered lift away with no loss of suction. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. Powered motorized brush in canister and lift away modes. Cleans carpets, area rugs and bare floors. On-board convenient storage for crevice tool and dusting brush. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Protein Commercial Canister Vacuum. 10 quart capacity, large capacity canister vac provides maximum cleaning ability that has 3 times the capacity of a standard upright vacuum, so you worry less about changing bags. Versatile, perfect for carpet, hard floor, and other surfaces. Ultra flexible hose and cleaning wand allow for cleaning up to 7 feet above floors. Breathe better air. 4-level advanced filtration traps allergens, dust, and debris for improved indoor air quality. IAQ, certified gold by the Carpet and Rug Institute, CRI. Easy maintenance. Canister vacuum is virtually indestructible. There are no belts, beater bars, or brushes for a low cost of ownership. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Hoover CH30000 Porta Power Lightweight. Includes a reusable commercial cloth bag with paper option. Built-in blower allows you more versatility with cleaning and maintaining your home. Compact form allows you to clean tight spaces and detail small areas like the inside of a vehicle. Long 33 SJT cable length for large area vacuuming. Hose stretches for extended reach. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Sanitaire SC3683B Commercial Canister. Lightweight HEPA-ready commercial canister vacuum is great for bare floors and hard surfaces. Comes with a carpet cleaning attachment for low pile carpet and area rugs. For use on deeper pile carpets. Includes 2 plastic wands to reach difficult cleaning locations, deluxe dusting brush crevice tool. 2-year warranty. Please check the description for details and update price.